Now I will introduction our water vending machine to you. This is the front door. This is the lamp box. You can put your company's logo on it. And this is the film room. And this is the payment system. Now I will open the door. Okay, this is the control system, and this is the payment system, and this is the film rooms. And we have nice day filtration, and this the pumps, and this the liters and our members. Then this the water tank has 20 liters. And close the door. I will show the water and take the bottles and put on it. Use the IC card and choose the 20. Can choose stop and give back money. Okay.